Hello, my name is Donna and today I'm reviewing this really nice kitchen mixer. This kitchen mixer is amazing because it is great for making lots of foods and mixing a bunch of liquids or textures, which is really amazing. It also has 3 different types of tools to put on it so that you can make sure you get the right type of mixture. It has this one, this type of like curvy one, and also this one, which is really nice because you don't just have one to use, you can pick through multiple ones. It also has a lid for the bowl, so when you're mixing, it doesn't go everywhere, which is really nice. It's a very nice teal color, which is very fancy, and it looks amazing in any type of kitchen. It has a nozzle to where you can put it on different settings of how fast you want it to go. It also has this little thing right here that you pull so that it can go up and you can take the bowl out. The bowl has this really nice type of handle. Looks like this, very big inside so that you can fit many different types of mixtures in here and ingredients. So when this thing's up, you want to get one of your tools and you can just put it in like this, and then you want to push it up, turn it so that it stays still and it's nice and sturdy. Then you want to pull the little handle, you push it down, and then you pull it back down and it stays still. Then you want to plug it in. It has a really nice long cord right here that's wrapped up. You plug it into a port and then it turns on and you can put it to the nice setting you want, put your ingredients inside, and it mixes it right up for you. This is an amazing mixer, very great quality, and will last you forever. I really recommend it. Thank you so much.